Good afternoon, everyone. Allow me to read the statement that the Department of Foreign Affairs is issuing in connection with the ruling or award that has been issued by the Arbitral Tribunal in connection with the West Philippine Sea. The Philippines welcomes the issuance today, 12 July 2016, of the award by the Arbitral Tribunal constituted by the Permanent Court of Arbitration under Annex 7 of the 1982 United Nations Convention on the Law of the Seas, or UNCLOS, on the arbitration proceedings initiated by the Philippines with regard to the South China Sea. Our experts are studying the award with the care and thoroughness that this significant arbitral outcome deserves. In the meantime, we call on those concerned to exercise restraint and sobriety. The Philippines strongly affirms its respect for this milestone decision as an important contribution to ongoing efforts in addressing disputes in the South China Sea. The decision upholds international law, particularly the 1982 UNCLOS. The Philippines reiterates its abiding commitment to efforts of pursuing the peaceful resolution and management of disputes with a view of promoting and enhancing peace and stability in the region. Thank you very much and good day.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Secretary has to leave for an important meeting. Therefore, he will not be able to take any questions. Thank you.
At kakatapos nga lang ang isinagawang presko ni DFA Secretary Perfecto Yasay hinggil sa naging desisyon ng Permanent Court of Arbitration kung saan nanalo nga ang ating bansa laban sa China hinggil sa international case nito laban sa West Philippine Sea dispute. At ayon nga sa statement na ipinadala,
is part of those features which the tribunal said is not entitled to an exclusive economic zone.
So basically, Java is a rock.
Effectively, it's a rock.
They didn't state it in the law.
Sorry.
They didn't state it in the law project. Java is a rock.
I have to read again. I have to read it again.
What are options now? I mean, can we take this to another chamber?
The award is fine. Is final. The award is final. We for example, there is during the standoff at Scarborough Shoal, the part of the ruling says that there was no jurisdiction because military ships were involved.
Just this is appealable, or is this appealable, or
no? It's final.
It's final. Sir, from a legal standpoint, what it should be or what are the next moves that we should do?
As I said, the decision is final, and we would like to stress the next moves will be political and diplomatic.
Sir, there is alleged violation done by China under the aid laws. What can be done about it?
Well, the award is a declaration of rights and entitlements. And again, what can be done moving forward is for our policymakers. The options are largely political and diplomatic.
Political and diplomatic, meaning to say justice for both parties in this particular case to sit down, come together, and come up with agreements on issues that they want to.
Well, that will be for our diplomats to think about and proceed accordingly. We have always taken the position that we hope that China will abide as a member of the family of nations. And again, that will be a matter for the Philippine government, for our diplomats to meet the challenge of the response of China.
So it will still be under a United Nations mechanism of justice if ever those diplomatic and political avenues are explored, or are we just talking about bilateral conflict?
Well, we will not preempt the executive department from getting all of the options.
Can you say that the recommendations are illegal?
I'm sorry?
Can you say that the recommendations are illegal?
I have to review again on that particular language and reclamations.
I know that the Pagulas Island is not included to this case, but this award said that none of the Sprat Island create a maritime zone. So do you think that this affects the Pagulas Island activity, the Philippines activity in the Pagulas Island?
The what islands?
The Pagulas Island, one of the Sprat Islands, the Philippine occupies. I know this is not included, but do you think that this affects the activity in the Pagulas?
Well, my response to that is that the decision says what it says, and the conclusions will have to be made.
If none of the island is practiced entitled to our economic zone, that means you can't claim 200 capital miles when you say from Pagasa.
I'm sorry?
That means we cannot claim 200 because they from Pagasa. If the opposition says that none of the features in the structure.
Yeah, but the Philippines has never claimed those types of entitlements for Pag-asa. Okay, thank you very much because we have to go to another briefing.
Ay, Justice, magandang hapon. Sir, sa easy naman lang po. Sir, hindi raw po ba yung sabi po ng
So walang